at the high school, where the new and improved library is officially open with a new design to promote collaboration and a sense of community.
Our high school students need opportunities to collaborate. Work is very collaborative. You move in and out of teams, and so to allow our students to have a space where that can truly happen in an organic fashion is truly amazing. The space is really set up to be a hub. It will be open from 7:30 in the morning until 6 p.m. at night, so it's even better than going to Starbucks. But we don't serve coffee. How's that?
The more than 6,000 square foot space does resemble a modern coffee house or bookstore. The comfortable atmosphere is meant to promote productivity, creativity, and research.
We've added additional study rooms into the space that have clear glass walls and large screens so students can connect to their technology there, share information, work on projects together. Clutch seating, where students are kind of seated together in small groups where they can work together in ones and twos, in addition to what you would traditionally see in a library with tables and chairs where students can work independently. School colors, a nod to those school colors, really just opening up the space so that it wasn't quite so tall and bulky and broken up.
My first impression was just wow, I wasn't expecting it to look so modern and so neat and put together. I believe it's going to make us, or as a student body, feel more comfortable, because if it was a traditional library, we're so used to staying quiet all the time, but with the addition of the study rooms, we have more time to collaborate with our other classmates, and I feel like it's just much more of a comfortable environment.
While students can access more books through the school's partnership with the El Segundo Public Library, the high school's library has less books and more technology, a necessity for today's students.
It is a great venue for learning and for basically getting their assignments and projects done. I mean, I know a lot of us want to have that hardcover book and feel the paper and as we go from page 2 to page 4 and so on, but libraries and other venues around us are also changing. It is basically an example of the digital transformation that we're witnessing across all sectors of life.
One of the most important things was to have power for their devices that they could plug in, and they could use their devices. And we are concentrating on popular current fiction and narrative nonfiction. The reference books and informational nonfiction are on databases and ebooks.
The more than $1.8 million renovation began in May and took 5 months to complete. The project was mostly funded by a 2018 Measure ES Facilities Bond, as well as other contributions.
But I just want to thank the community for coming together, passing the bond, for the Ed Foundation to always supporting the school, our students, and the NRG Energy for really thinking ahead and supporting this new endeavor of enhancing the learning for our students.
As president of the Board of Education, I feel such deep gratitude for the community in the outpouring of support for this project and all of our Measure ES stuff. Obviously, we couldn't have done it without the support of the community, and to see it come together in such a beautiful, purposeful way, it's just a beautiful thing, and we're grateful it's happened.
This library upgrade has everything students need to access information, but more importantly, to be inspired to learn. For El Segundo Media, I'm Mizal-Archer.